Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to use a piston ring compressor tool. This tool is amazing, you can check it out in the description of the video. The tool actually, okay, let me show you quick, it comes with pliers as well. Okay, those are the ring pliers right here. So if you want to replace piston rings, let me show you just quick how easy it is to use that tool. And those are bonus with the compressor tool. Amazing, right? Watch, it took only a couple seconds to remove and install a piston ring. Now, with the rings being installed the correct way, we have the video how to do that if you need to. We need to go ahead and compress them so we can install it in the cylinder block. Okay, let me show you now. This is the cylinder block here. We installed 3 pistons already and we'll show you how to do the 4th one. We took the block off. We had ours bored out. Next step, because we had some piston slab, so we put in new pistons. Everything will be brand new again. So let me show you guys how we use that thing. You need to get clean towel. Make sure that you don't have any dust or contamination on the piston, okay, at all. Get some engine oil, apply generously on the piston. Okay, check it out now. You have to soak it pretty much. Now you have to use gloves. Okay, so don't quote me on that, but I don't know why I'm not using them. Okay, perfect. We just leave it here. I'm going to put some on the on the connecting rod here as well. And now this is the tool that we'll be using. You have to make sure that it's extremely clean on the inside, no dust, dirt or anything like that. Okay, one here is here, stuck, perfect. Now this tool expands and it goes from all the way from I think 2 inches to 7 inches. You can see it doesn't fit on the piston, so we have to expand it. And how you do that? You just hold it here because it's spring loaded, press down. Okay, expand it a little bit. Let's see if that will be enough, or maybe it's not. No, a little bit more. So okay, I think this one is almost ready now. Again, let me make sure that I don't have any dust here. Now I'm going to get the tool. This needs to be pointing up because that's where you'll be using the tightening tool. And some people do it different, but what I usually do, okay, this ring needs to be situated a little bit this way. So give me just a minute because it's important how you install your rings, otherwise your compression might not be good. And we start getting it tight. Now the moment it starts contacting the rings, you need to go slow. Okay, check everything now that it's going in. Yep, so we get more time. Okay, now let me check on the bottom to make sure everything's good there as well. Yeah, everything looks good here. So let's see if we can get one more time to get it tight. Okay, that's it, right there. Now we need to go to the cylinder wall, to the engine block. Okay, and we need to clean it. Like everything has to be like pharmacy clean, guys. Make sure you take care of it. We have quite a few videos, so if you need help with anything, check out the channel, guys. Most likely you'll find information. If not, drop a comment, we'll try to make a video for you. Okay, perfect. Now that tool, you have 2 options. You can apply the oil now, okay, so it can slide on it, or you can apply it before you actually do it, before you start putting it on the piston. Different people do it different ways. Now the piston goes one certain way. Let me show you now. That stamp on ours is facing the front of the engine. That dot is facing the timing cover this way. So you have to make sure, okay, that you know how your pistons go, because you don't want to install them the wrong way. And now you need to hold the tool down all the way. Press it down really good. It might not work the first time, but that's totally fine. We'll redo it if we have to. Now you push it down, but do not apply crazy amount of force, because if you do and one of the rings catches, you can break it. Now what you could have done, you could have put the oil before we did that, but ours was already lubricated. I forgot to mention that step. I added some on the bottom because the piston will push out. But if you want to lubricate the whole inside of the piston, that way you don't have to worry about anything. Now hold it down really good. Okay, let me just grab it so it doesn't move, and push in. And ours didn't work the first time. Okay, you can see it came out and I couldn't do it on time. So this is most likely because I didn't lubricate it enough here and didn't get it tight. So let's go ahead and redo that quick. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do now. So that's totally cool if it happens, because it might not work the first time. That's why I wanted to show you what could happen. That way you don't have to worry about damaging a piston ring. You have to take your time. I have one here stuck here from my shirt, I think. Perfect. Now I'm going to apply oil to the inside of the tool here. Generous amount of oil. And now let's go ahead and check the piston rings and get it tight again. Again, you have to keep eye on the rings. Okay, let me check now. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, let's see if we can go one more time. Okay, perfect. Now, the cylinder wall is still lubricated, so that's fine. You can apply a little bit more, just in case, okay? Let me just wipe it because I felt some dust here. And just apply some fresh one, okay? Now the piston needs to face the correct way. Install it, hold it really good. Yeah, okay, and the piston, guys, went right in. Okay, you can see with absolutely no problems. So make sure that everything's lubricated, make sure that everything's clean, make sure that you get the bolt tight on that too, otherwise it's not going to work. Get it tight. And that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, check out our official Facebook page as well, and see you next time.